Hello my dear students, I welcome you back in this video. As you know, we were doing digestive system in humans. In this video, we will discuss about disorders of digestive system, which is on page number 43, and some healthy food habits that we all need to adopt. It is on page number 44. So let us start with some disorders or diseases that is related to the digestive system. My dear students, vomiting is very common. And what is vomiting? It is a reflex action in which opposite peristaltic movement of esophagus eject the contents of the stomach outside through the mouth. My dear students, you must have studied about esophagus or food pipe, which takes food into the stomach by rhythmic peristaltic movements. Now, in vomiting, this is a reverse of this. And food from the stomach, or contents from the stomach, they are thrown out through the mouth. Then second disorder is diarrhea. Diarrhea means loose motions. So it refers to loose, watery and frequent number of times you have to go to toilet. It means diarrhea. Now, it can be caused by an infection, food poisoning or indigestion. If the food is not properly digested, it may lead to diarrhea. Now, what are the results of this? It results in abdominal pain. You will feel stomach ache and cramps. आपको पेट में बहुत दर्द होगा. Then, what are the consequences? It leads to excessive loss of water and salts from the body, and it leads to dehydration. So it is not good. Then third disorder is indigestion. Indigestion means if the food is not being digested properly. अपच, अगर हमारा खाना ठीक से digest नहीं होता है. Now it lead to feeling of acidity. अगर किसी को indigestion है, खाना अच्छे से हजम नहीं हुआ है, तो आपको क्या होगा? Acidity, nausea. Nausea means feeling of vomiting. Not vomiting, you feel like. And gas. So it can be due to number of reasons. किन कारणों से ये हो सकती है? Inadequate enzyme secretion. It is from within your digestive system. If the enzymes, they are not properly secreted. Anxiety, if you are worried about something, you are in stress, food poisoning or overeating, and various physical and emotional factors, they lead to indigestion. My dear students, in order to stay healthy, we have to follow some healthy food habits. That is very important. Only eating is not important. Some healthy food habits, they are also important, like chew food slowly and properly. Then eat sufficient food. Do not overeat. Then be regular with your meal timings. Your meal timings should be regular. Do not have dinner very late in the evening. So do not eat very late in the evening. Eat healthy and freshly cooked food. And when you take something out of the fridge, it should be heated properly. Don't take it as it is. Always wash your hands before and after eating. Eat a balanced diet. My dear student, you know what is a balanced diet? A diet which has all the components like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals in right proportion. Have proper breakfast in the morning and do not skip breakfast. As it is called, breakfast is the brain food, so it is very important. Have small meals after every 3-4 hours. Instead of eating one time, better you have small meals every 3-4 hours. Avoid eating meals and snacks while watching TV. That is very important. Eating too many chips and all that when you are watching your cartoons or shows, that is not good. Because if we are watching TV, we are not aware about the portion of food sometimes we overeat. And then always keep cut fruits and vegetables covered. If you have to keep fruits and vegetables, they are cut and you have to refrigerate, better keep them covered. So in order to have a very good health, we need to follow these healthy food habits. So kindly read topics 4.5 and 4.6 and do book exercise. Thank you and have a